Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn very important numerical problem from projectile motion. And this question needs a very good concept of projectile. Now let us see the question. A ball is thrown forward from the top of a cliff with a velocity 10 meter per second. So this is a cliff, and with 10 meter per second we are throwing a body. And the height of cliff is 45 meter. We need to find the time to reach the ground, the distance from the cliff on hitting the ground, and the direction of the ball to the horizontal just before it reaches the ground. So take care on this key term, the direction of the ball that hits the ground, and we need to find the direction of the ball with the horizontal. So this is the horizontal line, this, and this is the direction of the ball. So we need to find our theta. In the projectile motion, we need to take care of one thing. This component always remains constant. So initial velocity towards x-axis is always equal to final velocity towards x-axis. So this is equal to 10 meter per second. X component of velocity always remains constant because y component of velocity is affected by gravity and x-axis is not affected by gravity. And in projectile motion we only consider one force, that is the force due to gravity. Now y component of velocity, at first initially y component of velocity is 0 and it continuously increases and becomes Vy as shown in figure. In this question we need to find the time taken by the projectile to reach from this point to this point, and we need to find the horizontal range, this x and this angle. Now let us see the solution part. If you see my previous video, in that video I did all derivation that is needed for projectile motion. Now let us see only the solution part of this problem. The velocity of projection is 10 meter per second, per second. Height of cliff is 45 meter, and these are the time period, horizontal range and direction that we need to calculate. Then our formula to find t is root under twice h by g. H is 45, g is 10. On solving this we get 3 seconds. Then horizontal range is, in this case of projectile, our formula to calculate horizontal range is velocity of projection into time, that will give us 30 meter. Now tan theta, if we see our this figure, in this figure we can draw one line like this, and if this is Vy, this line will be also Vy, this is Vx. If we do tan theta is equal to P by V, here our task is to find theta, so we do this, tan theta is equal to P by V, then our P is Vy and B is Vx, so we will get tan theta is equal to Vy by Vx. Now let us see this, and our Vy will be g into t, but Vx will be u. We already discussed that Vx will be u, but our Vy will be, we know formula V is equal to u plus at, but in the case of y, Vy is equal to ui plus at, as uy is equal to 0, so Vy will be gt, Vy will be g into t. So, or you can directly remember this formula, tan theta is equal to gt by u. Tan theta in the case of projectile thrown from given height, tan theta is equal to gt by u. G is 10, t is 3, u is 10. So tan theta is equal to 3. That means theta is equal to tan inverse 3, that is 71.6 degree. Here key formulas are, this is the formula, this is formula 1, this is formula 2, and this is formula 3. Thank you very much. See you.